Hello and welcome to Minimise Debt, Maximise Cash with Top Service, where each episode we will give you tips on how to maximise your cash and minimise your debt in the construction industry. My name is Emma Riley, Top Service CEO, and recently awarded the Credit Professional of the Year 2025 at the British Credit Awards. Thank you very much.
On our YouTube channel, you can find some frequently asked questions being addressed by our brilliant team. In this episode, we have compiled 2 of these frequently asked questions for you. First up is Rachel Simmons answering the question, why do credit reports from different suppliers give different scores?
Every supplier of credit information will have invested in different algorithms to attempt to produce the most relevant credit limit and credit scores. Unfortunately, this is never going to be an exact science. The majority of credit reference agencies will take the same factors into account when suggesting credit limits, but how they apply each factor will be slightly different. For example, most agencies will take outstanding mortgages and charges into consideration when suggesting a limit and score for a business. They will also take into account the business's age, location, and line of business. The weighting of each of these factors, though, may be slightly different. So one agency may score lower for a business in the construction industry than another, or higher for a business based in London than another. At Top Service, we actually take the opinions of 2 of the major credit reference agencies and then apply our own insider intelligence to produce the most relevant information for the construction industry. Our trading experiences gathered from 3,000 businesses within the construction industry will give you an indication of what to expect when it comes to payment. So you can see whether you can expect to be paid on time, late, or not at all. We believe this is the most relevant information we can supply to your construction business. This will enable you to make the best and most informed decisions when it comes to extending credit facilities.
And now we have Charlie Barrett-Mead answering the question, will using a debt collection agency ruin my business relationships?
Not if you choose the right debt collection agency. All agencies work differently, but most have the same working practices that you could relate to a call centre. A good debt collection agency will want to understand you, your business, and any credit control activity already completed. At Top Service, we treat each case individually. We are not scripted, and whilst we do have procedures we work with, each case is treated individually. We are in a unique position where we have access to the credit information relating to the customer who owes you money. We use this along with our construction industry experience and our collection skills to create a bespoke collection strategy. We use this information to not only be clear about the consequences of non-payment, but also the benefits of making payment. This is important to not only get great results, but also to maintain positive relationships between us and the business who owes you money.
Hello, Emma here again. Thank you for listening. If there are any other questions, please do contact us on LinkedIn. Just search Top Service Limited. And also do check out a video version of this podcast on our YouTube channel. Once again, search for Top Service Limited. If we don't see you online, we will see you in the next episode where we will help you to maximise your cash and minimise your debt. Bye bye from Top Service.